Okay, very quick, very quick video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Your free delivery guarantee, just to explain what it is and why you should do it if you can. Okay, first of all, if Etsy tells you to do something, it's likely that if you do it, it will help you make sales. So why would you not do it? The only reason you may not be able to set a free delivery guarantee, which basically means that if you've got low priced items, it's encouraging people to buy more in order to get free delivery on you. This is just US orders. I'm based in the UK, but it still helps me. Or if you set your pricing so that it's just above $35, the equivalent, or if you're in America, it's easy, you can just set it at $35, then in some ways that basically means that people may well buy off you. And also the other thing is that by offering free delivery on US orders of $35 or above, that means that you are automatically going to be placed higher up in the algorithm, basically. So in a sense, it's not exactly blackmail, but Etsy are essentially encouraging you because they know through their various tests, etc., that if you offer free delivery in domestically, and if you offer this particular free delivery, you will get more orders, and thus they will get more money by taking a percentage of that. So just if you can, obviously massive bulky items, you might have to factor in, you might not be able to do that, but mainly I suggest that you do. So there are ways of sorting it out. If you go to settings and if you go to delivery settings, you can do it that way. Okay, they will keep pushing it because they know you will get more orders this way. So you can do it here or in your dashboard because they're very keen. They're going to put it, if you go to listings, they're going to put it at the top there. So you can access it either through your settings or you can just basically go through get started there. And all you have to do, and for me it's anything above £25.88 roughly, that's based on the currency exchange rate. You just go to set free delivery now, and that is it. Boom, in the room, you have done it. Okay, you're making shoppers happy with a free delivery guarantee. Way to go. Okay, and then if you've got any questions about it, then they will discuss it there. I think if you're in America, you can actually get a little tool to make sure that all your prices are changed so that anything that's close to $35, you definitely will take it up to $35, but that is simply it. And if Etsy recommends you doing something, and if it actually makes you more visible, then just blooming well go ahead and do it. Okay, very quick video, enjoy, thanks, bye.